Hi guys, and welcome to a new year, 2019. So, sorry guys, been really busy. Had a couple of months off probably. Painting the house, doing all different things, new floors throughout the house and those kind of things. So, had to move out of my study and I'm actually in a different part of the house now. But yeah, just wanted to say Happy New Year and apologise that I haven't been able to put too many videos together recently. But also welcome to a lot of new subscribers to the channel. So thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoy the content, and if you do so, please remember to hit that like button. But today I wanted to just see if we can go through some $1 coins, rolls of dollar coins. If you're familiar with my channel, I've been through we've been through looking for special dollar coins in the past, and sometimes we find some decent stuff, but who knows what we're going to find today. But what I'm hoping to find is some of the new 2019 $1 coins that were put into circulation as a competition, which I haven't found any of yet. I haven't spent too much time looking, but it's been a while since I've grabbed a few coins, so I thought, why don't we go through a few rolls and let's see if I can pull out something that's of interest. I will. But at the moment, I'm just looking at all the dates, seeing what we can find. There's a year 2000, which is not a mule, unfortunately, which would have been a great moment to catch on film. But anyway, that's not. It's a standard year 2000 dollar coin. Doesn't have the double rim, so it's a bit of a giveaway straight away. But yeah, I thought we'd just go through, have a look at the dates, see what we can find. Just on that particular 2001, we're looking for rotation. This is a 2015, it's a low mintage coin. 100 years of Anzac. That is a low mint coin. I'm not going to keep this particular one. I've actually got hundreds of them in far better condition, so I won't be keeping that one. We'll leave that one for someone else to find. But yeah, nothing for me to keep right there, so we'll keep going on, and hopefully we find something in the next roll. Well, look at that. There is a coin that's not meant to be in there. It's I'm not even sure. It's Indonesian 1,000 rupiah. Yeah, that's technically cost me $1 because there'll only be 19 coins now in this. $19 coins, and I can't return that to the bank, so that now becomes mine. And I do keep lots of international coins. I've literally got truckloads of them, so that just goes into the pile. So yeah, we'll keep going along. So we're looking for all different, we're looking for error coins, we're looking for rabbit ears, all those sort of things. If you've seen some of my other videos, I've gone through rabbit ears, but certainly if we find one, I will point it out to you guys. So we'll try and motor through these fairly quickly, so I apologise for that. But here's a 2014 version. You never know what you're going to find. That's the hunt. That's the fun, and why we love looking through coins and noodling through coins. So let's have a little close look at this one. For a moment there, it looked like I thought I had a rabbit ear, but it's not, as I zoomed in closer there. Anyway, it's a 2017, that one, which I've only found a couple rabbit ears for that year, so, but that is not one of them. So we'll zoom out a bit more so we can keep going. Alright, I don't think there's anything else here worth looking at. No, we'll push them aside. Try and get through 5 or 6 of these rolls. If we find nothing, we find nothing, but that's the game. plenty of commemorative coins popping up, which there is an abundance of. So always check the rotation on these ones. You can find a whole clock, and each hour of the clock you'll find one, so make sure you check each and every one of those. But not seeing any shiny coins popping up here, or two shinier coins that would be seen to be as a 2019 coin, but who knows what'll be in the next roll. No, doesn't appear to be anything in that one. Push them aside. Someone's written on there, but not an error. I'll quickly go through them just so that I don't take up too much of your time. So it's a nice shiny one, but it's a 2016, and they're in abundance. And another 2016. 84, Landcare, 2014, it's a 2015 $1, but it's not a missing leg. And we've got to do another one of these, and that's upright. So I mostly get rolls. Very rarely do I come across bags, because I generally don't go into the bank to get my coins. I rely on machines, and they're usually stocked with rolls. So I normally get my rolls from two different banks, and they stock the prosecutor rolls, which are the ones we're doing today, and the other bank that stocks coins from Armaguard. So yeah, sometimes I get my coins from different spots just to sort of see what we come up with. See if sometimes I feel like I'm noodling the same coins, which is a bit discouraging, but since I haven't noodled for a couple of months, I thought you never know what you're going to find. So yeah, well, we'll do a couple more rolls, and just see what we can find, if there's anything special here. All these coins are looking quite old. Another U2000, but no cigar. Alright, let's keep it going. Check the rotation. Nope. These coins are really in abundance, these Federation coins, but you've got to spin each and every one. Which is what I like to do with every coin anyway, because you just never know what you're going to find, so you might as well spend the time just to spin them. Well, I might stop the video here for a little bit, and I'll keep going through some of the coins, and I'll come back and I'll tell you whether or not I found anything worth keeping, and if so, I'll certainly show that to you. So yeah, we'll be back soon. Alright guys, I'm back. So I've got 2 more rolls to go. So I thought I'd just do them while you guys are watching. I've literally gone through probably about 400 plus coins, and I have found absolutely nothing. So pretty disappointing, but we've got 2 rolls left, so let's just go through those 2. Certainly I'm not going to fake finding something. If it's not there, it's not there. And that's part of the game, isn't it? So we'll just go through these last couple of rolls here and just see if there's anything worth keeping. So there's a 2017, fairly high mintage, but yeah, I'll yell out if there's certainly something that I see. In the last sort of 400 or so that I did, it was quite surprising just how many U2000 coins there was. Normally I'm lucky to find one, which I don't keep, but it's always nice to find a U2000 because you've always got the chance of finding a mule. But today I've probably found about 10 as I've gone through this lot, so certainly a high number. Nothing there, and nothing there. Alright, one more roll. Yeah, we'll go through these last few coins here. So 2015, 2013, there's a 2017, oh, there's a rabbit here. Alright, so that's I'll show you in a minute, that's a 2008. This is probably one of the more common years for rabbit ears, but this one's not in too bad a condition, so I'll just zoom in there. And you can see the rabbit ear up behind this rabbit here, this kangaroo's ear. You can see an extra cud there, and that's what because it, it's a big, looks like it's got rabbit ears as such, so they call that a rabbit ear. And you can clearly see that there. It's a fairly large bit of cud there, and I'll keep that one. But so far that's the only thing worth keeping. Keep an eye out, they can happen on any coin, and they're certainly worth more than $1. So yeah, good to find something at least. Alright, put that there, put it aside, make sure you don't accidentally mix it in with the pile. Well, it came to the last roll. I found something worth keeping. So I've got a bit of a mess to clean up now, but that's all part of it. The last coin for today is a 2016. So yeah, one coin, that's all I found today, which is disappointing, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, we certainly gave it a good shot. We went through plenty of dollar coins, but to no avail today. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.